Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the weird world of trucks. Forget your Ford F-150s and Chevy Silverados, these beasts make even the toughest pickup look like a Tonka toy. We're talking rotating behemoths, all-terrain titans, and machines that'll make you question if you're still on planet Earth. Buckle up and get ready to have your mind blown by trucks so insane, they'd make a monster truck rally look like a children's tea party. Let's kick things off with the Teramac RT14R, a true marvel of modern engineering. Imagine a truck that can haul 14 tons and spin around like a ballerina, effortlessly and gracefully. That's right, this thing boasts a full 360 degrees of rotation, making it incredibly versatile on any job site. On a tight building site, it glides into position, does a little twirl, and boom, job done. No more three-point turns or awkward maneuvering. This rotating marvel can tackle any terrain, mud, sand, gravel, you name it. It's built to handle the toughest conditions with ease. It's like the Chuck Norris of construction vehicles, utterly unstoppable. Whether it's climbing over obstacles or powering through rough patches, it gets the job done. Need to deliver a hot tub to a backyard through a narrow alleyway? Terramac. Its compact design and rotating capability make it perfect for tight spaces. Building a treehouse on a steep hillside? Terramac. Its stability and power ensure that no terrain is too challenging. This thing is the answer to problems you didn't even know you had. From construction to landscaping, it's a multi-purpose powerhouse. And it's not just practical, it's inherently cool. With its sleek design and robust build, it stands out on any site. Imagine the look on your neighbor's face as you casually swing this thing around in your driveway. It's a showstopper. So there you have it, the Teramac RT14R, a truck that defies expectations and redefines what's possible. It's not just a vehicle, it's a game changer. It's practical, versatile, and has more personality than a room full of politicians. It's the ultimate tool for any job. What more could you ask for? The Teramac RT14R is here to revolutionize the way you think about construction vehicles. Now let's talk trash. Not just any trash, but the kind that can be turned into something valuable. Enter the LEFORT registered trademark 720 TRAX, a machine that eats scrap metal for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This is not your average car crusher. It's a beast designed to handle the toughest jobs in the scrapyard. It's a mobile metal muncher with a hydraulic shear that could snip a car in half like a tin can. Imagine the power and precision it takes to do that. Forget your dainty little grabbers and magnets, the LEFORT registered trademark 720 TRAX doesn't mess about. It's built for serious work. It grabs, chomps, and spits out scrap metal with the efficiency of a well-oiled machine. Every piece of metal is processed with precision. It's mesmerizing to watch, like a mechanical ballet of destruction and recycling. The way it moves is almost poetic. With its tracked design, it can navigate the treacherous terrain of a scrapyard with ease. No pile of scrap is too challenging. It's like a mountain goat with a much bigger appetite for metal. It climbs and conquers every obstacle in its path, and the best part? This thing saves time and money. It's a game changer for the industry. It's quicker than a team of scrappers with blow torches and doesn't need a tea break every 5 minutes. It works tirelessly day in and day out. So next time you see a pile of scrap metal, think of it as a tasty snack for the LEFORT registered trademark 720 TRAX. It's ready to devour and transform it. This machine is a testament to human ingenuity, turning trash into treasure. It's a marvel of engineering that makes the impossible possible. Now, let's talk about a trailer that's had more makeovers than a Hollywood starlet. This isn't just any trailer, it's a marvel of modern engineering and versatility. Introducing the MST Müller Safety trailer. At first glance, it might look like your average flatbed, but this is a trailer with several secrets. First up, it's watertight. Yes, you heard that right, watertight. You could fill it with champagne and throw a pool party in the Sahara Desert. Imagine the possibilities. But wait, there's more. This trailer can also transform into a mobile fire station. It's not just a trailer, it's a lifesaver on wheels. It can carry a heap of extinguishing water, ready to tackle anything from a rogue bonfire to a full-blown forest fire. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you have a mobile fire station at your disposal. It's like the Swiss Army knife of trailers, always prepared for any situation. Whether it's a small emergency or a large-scale disaster, this trailer has got you covered. And if that wasn't enough, it can also handle hazardous materials. Yes, this trailer is designed to safely transport dangerous substances. So, if you've got a hankering to transport a few barrels of radioactive waste, this is the trailer for you. It's built to handle the most dangerous of cargoes with ease. But the real party trick? this trailer has a unique feature that sets it apart from the rest. It can carry electric vehicles that have gone thermal. When an electric car decides to have a meltdown, it's not as simple as just dousing it with water. These things can reignite hours, even days later. The danger doesn't just go away with a splash of water. These fires can reignite, posing a continuous threat. That's where the MST Müller Safety trailer comes in. They load the smoldering electric car onto the trailer, seal it up tight, and flood the whole thing with water. It's a high-tech solution for a high-tech problem. It's like a mobile sensory deprivation tank for misbehaving electric vehicles. It isolates the problem and neutralizes the threat. So there you have it, the MST Müller Safety trailer, a jack of all trades and a master of everything. It's not just a trailer, it's a multi-purpose tool designed to handle a variety of challenges. If you need something moved safely and securely, this is the trailer for you. Whether it's hazardous materials, firefighting equipment, or even an electric vehicle in distress, the MST Müller Safety trailer is up to the task. Let's venture into the frozen wilderness with the Treall Arctic 8x8. This vehicle makes a Land Rover look like a Fiat Panda. It's a go-anywhere, do-anything monster truck that laughs in the face of snowdrifts and swamps. With its massive tires, 8-wheel drive, and ground clearance, the Treall Arctic can conquer terrain that would make a Sherpa think twice. It's like a mechanical polar bear, effortlessly gliding over snow and ice. But here's the thing. This beast isn't just for Arctic explorers. You can actually buy one and take it for a spin down to the shops. Surprisingly, the Treall Arctic is quite civilized with a heater, radio, and even cup holders. So whether you're planning an expedition to the North Pole or just a trip to Tesco, the Treall Arctic 8x8 is the vehicle for you. It's the ultimate expression of go anywhere, do anything freedom. Now let's talk roads. Not boring when the Boral FMAS is involved. This is not your average tarmac laying truck. This machine takes road construction to a whole new level of sophistication. Most road laying machines lumber along, spewing out asphalt like a volcano, but not the Boral FMAS. This machine is all about precision and finesse. Instead of chucking the asphalt out the back, the Boral FMAS gracefully lays it down from the front. It's all thanks to a clever conveyor belt and spreader box system that ensures a smooth, even finish. The driver has a clear view of the road ahead, no more peering around a cloud of steam. And let's not forget the efficiency. This thing can lay down asphalt faster than a team of Italian chefs can make pizza. So, next time you're cruising down the highway, spare a thought for the Boral FMAS. It's the unsung hero of smooth journeys and comfortable commutes. Now, we've seen some impressive trucks, but let's be honest, most of them are about as glamorous as a pair of Wellington boots. But fear not, because the Italians are here to inject a bit of style with the Pavelli STV JAZZ. This is not just a trailer, it's a statement. It's the automotive equivalent of a finely tailored suit. Forget your utilitarian flatbeds. The Pavelli STV JAZZ is all about curves and sleek lines. This trailer wouldn't look out of place parked next to a Ferrari. But it's not just about looks. The Pavelli STV JAZZ is also built to perform. It can haul everything from race cars to yachts with grace and elegance. Each Pavelli STV JAZZ is custom built to the owner's specifications. So there you have it, the Pavelli STV JAZZ, proof that even the most practical vehicles can be infused with Italian flair. And now for the grand finale, a truck so big, so bold, it makes every other truck look like a toy car. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you CM's Buggy Monster 2. This is what happens when you take the American obsession with big trucks and crank it up to 11. It's a behemoth on wheels designed to transport cotton. This monster truck was built for one purpose: to haul those fluffy white bales of cotton from the fields to the factories. With its gargantuan tires and towering height, the Buggy Monster 2 is a force of nature. It can haul up to 10 cotton modules at once. But it's not just about brute strength, it's surprisingly nimble for its size. It can navigate tight corners and rough terrain. The Buggy Monster 2 is happiest in the fields, hauling cotton like a boss. So there you have it, CM's Buggy Monster 2, the king of cotton hauling trucks. Well, there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the wild world of insane trucks. From rotating behemoths to scrap metal munchers, these trucks prove that human imagination knows no bounds. So, next time you see a truck, appreciate the ingenuity and creativity behind it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible content. Let us know in the comments which truck blew your mind the most. See you next time.